Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of trust. To build a deep relationship, we first need to develop trust in something greater than ourselves. Trust in a greater intelligence and evolutionary force that is the universe itself. As we learn to identify and embrace our mistrust, skepticism, and fear, we begin to transform.
Now, if you start with beginner's mind, you're going to have to trust a lot to move out of what your mind thinks it knows. Trust came naturally to me in that I had to face a lot of fear early in my mid-20s because I became very ill. And what happened there was I really was flung into the world of healing, where I had to trust everything, and I threw myself into it, and I benefited so much for years until I met my teacher in the arts. And as soon as I found the arts, I was like, this is for me. I want to know it all. Now, trust is trusting something greater than you.
We learn to surrender to this intelligence that is made of pure love and is an aspect of ourselves. We let go of control and allow it to guide us into our greatest expansion.
We're co-creators and we're an aspect of the universe. But really, we got to trust that there's something much greater than us that's guiding us towards realizing it in our bodies, And that takes time and time again to go beyond our mistrust and our conditioning and what we think is right and what we think we know is right.
We learn to trust this intelligence coming through ourselves, others, and in our lives. We learn to listen to it and are guided by it. And in time, we develop a deep and loving relationship with it.
It's amazing that myself and Ciara met within these arts, and there was other people too. And, when you do group therapy, etc., and when you live with people and you have friends like this, the rule for me was always, if two people are saying one thing, I trust that over what I think. Because it's easy for us to see other people's stuff, but it's not easy to see our own stuff. And in that regard, having trusted friends that are part of the arts, that can easily see this and are really looking out for our best good and really just want to guide us to see these aspects of ourselves, so that we can shift them and get them out of the way and allow the universe to do what it's looking to do through us.
The Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.